afternoon. I just get off from work, so I order food from Prime Amazon. It just arrived today. I ordered yesterday. These 4 items, guys. I can use this for my blogging. I order a camera instead of using my cell phone for a video. I go deeper. I ordered some GoPro Hero7 Black. So I asked my husband and help me to search what is a better deal for price and the features of the camera that I can use. So I order, let me see if I got everything here. Oh, what's this? It's a big package. So this box, what's inside? Oh, so this one is my this is my GoPro Hero7. They have different kind of GoPro. They have also a silver and black and different features. So I got the GoPro Hero7 Black with extra battery. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm so excited because we go a lot of travel, and this is easy to carry, and you can just like having a belt put in your shoulder like a strap, and then you can just put over in your belt, and it's just like record whenever I go, because we're planning to do a zip line. We're going vacation this month. Hopefully the weather in Massachusetts will be good weather so that we can do I'm gonna try a zip line, and I'm gonna try using this GoPro. So that's the GoPro, guys. So excited. It's very tiny. There you go. So this is the GoPro. And it goes with extra battery. Cool. And they have a lot of extra kit. Oh, they have also a free casing. They have a free casing. They have the case. See, there is the case also. So they give me some extra stuff. And I see, I think the battery for GoPro is very tiny. So there's 2 battery here, guys. So they give me 1 extra battery. And the good thing for this GoPro Hero7 Black is waterproof, digital action camera with touchscreen, and 4K HD video also, and also stabilization. So everything I need for blogging is with this GoPro. So that's one of my item order. So one of the features that I like with this GoPro Hero7 Black is a waterproof and I can use this under the water. So when I go swimming, I can use this. So pretty cool, huh? And I never experienced swimming under the water with using a camera. So this is my first time using with this kind. And I also order accessories for GoPro, everything I need. So this is the accessory kit. One of the reason I like to order Amazon, because they deliver what the promised date. I just ordered this yesterday and it arrived right today. So this is my my camera accessories kit. It's pretty handy. So they have a bag. So I'm gonna show you. So you can use this accessory kit for a GoPro Hero 9, 8, 7, 6. So there's a lot of numbers for a different kind of GoPro, guys. So you can use a chest strap, and then head strap, wrist strap. And I have also a camera case, storage bag, large carry case, and mini tripod, suction cup mount, extendable monopod. I have also a bicycle head mount. Yeah, bicycle handlebar mount. I got also a 360-degree rotary clip mount, a spanner screw tool, Wi-Fi remote wrist strap. I got helmet strap mount, safety insurance theater straps, and a 3M adhesive sticky. And I can use this underwater too. There's a case. There's a lot of accessories. This one come into one set of accessories. So this is pretty cool. Everything I need is here. See, I have this selfie stick. So I really love vlogging, and I enjoy editing videos. I know I'm busy all the time at work. I am a full-time, but every time in my day off, I keep myself busy all the time. Just keep thinking what next content that I need to video. So just keep myself busy. But I enjoy doing this. I know it's hard work to do editing, but I enjoy doing it. So that's one of the second item that I order. And I need also a micro SD. Let me put this away before I broke it. So I order also a micro SD. This kind. So this is the one that I'm gonna use for my GoPro. It's 128 gigabytes. And my fourth items I order is the the USB-C hub. See, so I can use this. There's two slot for USB. This is my Pro adapter for USB-C, and I can use this in my laptop. And there's a slot also for a micro SD and SD card. So I order 4 items at the same time, and it arrives also at the same time. See, this is this. See, this a slot for SD card and micro SD, another USB, and for this one is for HDMI. You have computer. So I'm excited. So it will be keep me busy for try to figure out how to work this GoPro Hero7 Black. That's it for now, guys. Until next, bye-bye. And don't forget to support my channel, Angel Me Bisaya-American. Subscribe below, like, and hit the notification bell for my next upload videos. So, until next, bye-bye! Adios, mga amiga, amigo!